Hello students, today we're going to talk about the letter S. The letter S. We know that S says S, 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 but sometimes the S makes a Z sound. Z, Z, Z. So S says S, like in cats, it's, miss. All of these make the S sound. S, S, S. But sometimes S says Z, Z, like a Z. For example, has, is, as, was, dogs, calls. So it's good to recognize that the S can make another sound, which is the sound Z. And it's very important to know which sound goes with which. Has, not has. Has. Is, as, was, dogs, calls. S makes the S, S, S sound, but it also makes a Z sound. Z, Z, Z. So it's good to recognize these sounds in the correct word. Very good, students. I will see you next time. Bye.